This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by proving you own the account. Open Gmail on a desktop browser and sign in directly at gmail.com. Once signed in, go to Security in Google Account Settings and find the Critical Security Alert entry. You need your recovery phone or email ready because Google will ask for a verification code. This is how they stop imposters. Make sure you do not follow suspicious links from the alert message itself, because attackers often imitate real alerts to harvest codes. Once you confirm the alert, inspect devices and recent security events immediately to identify unauthorized logins. You should remove any unknown devices and sign out all other sessions. This prevents a persistent intruder. Next, head to third-party apps with account access, revoke anything suspicious, and then change your password to a strong, unique phrase. Finally, enable two-step verification so a code or security key is required. This stops attackers even if they have your password. To finish, run Google's security checkup to verify settings and recovery options. Update your recovery phone and email so future alerts reach you. Make sure account permissions and forwarding rules are correct. Attackers often add hidden filters. If you get locked out or the alert persists, use Google's account recovery form and provide exact times, device types, and previous passwords. These details matter. Troubleshooting tip: if codes don't arrive, check spam, carrier blocks, and try alternate recovery email.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.